Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Directv application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your App Store to get started. Go to the search box at the top and type in Directv and search. Once you come across this application, go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Directv application on your iPhone. With the Directv application installed on your device, you will be able to watch live TV from your subscribed channels, get access over 60,000 on-demand shows and movies, download contents for offline viewing, and much more. So that is how you can easily download Directv application on your smartphone within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.